Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket and amongst claws my thoughts. Buzz, one great open source model by the GLM team has been released, that is GLM 5.1 towards long horizon tasks. Yes, you heard it right. A new version of GLM model has come in. GLM 5.1 is our next flagship model for agentic engineering with significant stronger coding capabilities. Here you can see that it is able to beat out GLM 5, Opus 4.6 and Gemini 3.1 Pro also on SDL Benchmark Pro. So I think for the first time, I think an open source model is of that level. Even in talking about agentic coding here also, it is able just behind GPT 5.4. Repo generation, the scores are still great. Cyber security also has scored the highest amongst even closed source models too. But the most meaningfully goes beyond first pass performance. Basically, they call it as a towards long horizon tasks, that is tasks that require longer coding, like coding for 8 hours, 10 hours. Longer tasks, GLM 5.1 is your go-to model. So, team tried it out over three scenarios. One is optimizing a vector database over 600 iterations. The model was great there. Even they tried out an optimizing machine learning workload over 1000 turns, kernel bench level 3. And then they also tried building a Linux desktop over 8 hours, and the model was great there too. Here are different benchmarks that the team has released. GLM 5.1, it is able to beat out most of the open source model and even certain closed source models too, including GPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1, and Cloud Opus 4.6 on multiple benchmarks. As you can see, be it reasoning, be it coding, be it agentic, the model looks great, and for sure, the best open source model so far released. The model, as you can see, getting started GLM 5.1. If you want to use the API, it's paid for now. Even for chat also, the model is not available for free, but the model is available on Hugging Face. Unfortunately, the model is huge. It has 784 billion parameters. So I think approximately it is about 1.5 TB of model. It's huge. So I think running such a big model in your local system is just not possible. But you can use the model for free. Yes, you heard it right. Here you can see that I am on Hugging Face. This is the model card for GLM 5.1. They've given the technical report also. We will be talking about it in short while. And they have basically given the coding performance where it is just behind Opus 4.6 and 5.4. Able to beat out Gemini 3.1 Pro. So that's a big deal. And if you search here how to use the model for free, you can first of all try it here on inference providers. Just mention hey, send, and you can chat with GLM 5.1 for free. This inference provided by Together AI. Here, how can I help you today? Tell me about yourself. Let's see what it outputs here. So this is one of the ways of chatting with the model for free on Hugging Face. It's self-interface. It's not available on z.ai, but it is available here. So you can talk to the model here. It is again a reasoning model and quite huge. Here you can see that I'm GLM, a large language model developed by z.ai. So this is where you can test out the model for free. Also, if you want to test it somewhere else, just search for GLM 5.1 and look out for spaces. So if I click here, GLM 5.1, this is one of the spaces that I'm talking about. You can access the model for free here also. Hey, I'll just type here. I'm not testing out the model capabilities right now. The model is quite capable. We will be testing it out in other while. But how to use GLM 5.1 for free? You can test out beat the Hugging Face spaces, or you can also talk to the inference provider on the Hugging Face model page. So what are you waiting for? Do try out GLM 5.1. The best open source model, quite huge. So I think a little difficult to run in your local system, but you can talk it out for free. And I think soon it will be hosted on z.ai also. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.